Hey there, language lovers! Have you ever wished you had a writing assistant to do all the hard work for you? Well, get ready to be amazed because ChatGPT is here to grant your every language wish, whether you're a media marketer, content creator, or accountant. Yes, you heard that right. I know you're wondering, how would you take your accounting skills to the next level with ChatGPT? But fear not, it's like having a literary superhero at your fingertips. And the best part, no cape or spandex is required. And let's be real, who wouldn't want a genie that could do all the work for them? So grab some popcorn and get ready for a wild ride as we explore the most useful and amazing ChatGPT prompts. And if you're worried about how to write better prompts, we've got you covered with our previous video. Let's get started and make language learning fun again. ChatGPT4 Prompts for Blog Writers. Are you tired of staring at a blank page, trying to come up with new ideas for your blog? Do you wish you could magically optimize your content for search engines without spending hours doing research? Well, get ready to be blown away because ChatGPT4 is here to revolutionize your blogging game. This blogging powerhouse can help you generate ideas, improve your writing skills, and even boost your SEO with just a few prompts. It's like having a personal writing assistant, except it won't steal your coffee or hog the bathroom, so let's dive into the best ChatGPT4 prompts for bloggers and discover how you can take your content from meh to marvelous. Prompt: create a blog post about blog post topic, write it in a tone, use transition words, use active voice, write over 1,000 words. Prompt: write a blog post about the benefits of product or service, use statistics and case studies to back up your claims, write in a persuasive tone. Prompt: write a blog post about the history of industry or topic, use primary and secondary sources to provide a comprehensive overview, write in an informative tone. These amazing prompts are just the beginning. You can customize them to fit your unique writing style and interests. With ChatGPT4, you'll never run out of ideas or inspiration for your blog. ChatGPT prompts for programmers. Whether you're a seasoned programmer or just starting out, with ChatGPT, it's like having a programming expert at your fingertips 24/7. You can get code reviews, ask programming-related questions, and even get interview preparation tips. And let's not forget about its vast knowledge of databases. ChatGPT has got you covered in all aspects of programming, from UI development to database management and everything in between. And the best part? You don't have to worry about annoying coworkers or bosses. ChatGPT won't complain about the endless amounts of coffee you consume. Well, here are some of the best prompts to make you a programming guru. Prompt: I want you to act as a Python developer and write a function that takes a data type as an input and returns the output. Prompt: as a web developer, I need you to generate a number-by-number grid of HTML divs with a color background. ChatGPT prompts for music. Have you ever wished you could have a musical genius as your personal assistant? Well, ChatGPT may not be Mozart, but it can certainly help you create music. With its vast knowledge of music theory and composition, ChatGPT can generate lyrics, melodies, and even entire compositions. But don't get too excited, it's not a replacement for human creativity or expertise. You still need to know your way around a music studio. Think of ChatGPT as your musical sidekick, always ready to provide inspiration and new ideas. In short, it can be a valuable tool in your musical arsenal. ChatGPT prompts for social media. Social media marketers, we all know that feeling when you're drowning in a sea of endless content creation. But fear not, because ChatGPT is here to save the day. With its powerful AI capabilities, ChatGPT can help you write social media captions, compose posts, and craft ad copy in record time. Say goodbye to writer's block and hello to a new era of efficiency. And if you're worried about keeping up with the ever-evolving demands of social media, ChatGPT has got your back. With its advanced natural language processing abilities, ChatGPT can help you stay ahead of the game and create content that truly resonates with your audience. Now, here are some good examples to get you started. Write a tweet that drives traffic to URL. Write an Instagram announcement about URL. Create a social media giveaway post about insert holiday. ChatGPT for accountants. Hey there, fellow number cruncher. We know that accounting can be a tedious task, but fear not. With the help of ChatGPT, you can take your accounting skills to the next level and streamline your work like a boss. It can also help you stay up to date with the latest accounting trends and regulations, so you can provide better service to your clients and stay ahead of the competition. And with the added benefit of improving your productivity, you'll have more time to kick back and enjoy a cup of coffee. Or tea, if that's your thing. So go ahead and give ChatGPT prompts a try. Here are some examples. Write a blog post about the benefits of using ChatGPT for accounting and finance. Create a list of 5 ChatGPT tools that every accountant should be using. Write a case study on how ChatGPT helped a business streamline its accounting processes. With ChatGPT, you can level up your accounting game and impress your colleagues with your newfound efficiency and productivity. Plus, you'll have more time to enjoy life outside of work, whether that means hitting the gym, spending time with family and friends, or binge watching your favorite show. ChatGPT prompts for SEOs? Now, it's your turn. Yes, you. Are you struggling to boost your website's traffic and get your content to rank on Google? Say goodbye to the headache of generating SEO keywords, because all you need to do is ask ChatGPT to work its magic and generate SEO keywords for your topic. Want to add some popular FAQs to your article to make it more engaging? Just ask ChatGPT to list the most popular questions related to your keyword. And don't worry about being stuck in writer's block, because ChatGPT can also suggest compelling article titles related to your SEO keywords. Looking to write a blog that can rank on Google? Ask ChatGPT to suggest some awesome blog topic ideas related to your topic that can rank on Google. With ChatGPT on your side, you'll be a content creating machine in no time. Educational ChatGPT prompts. With ChatGPT, you can explore new fields of study and verify existing knowledge bases with ease. Whether you need to brush up on a scientific topic or want to engage in a conversational practice, ChatGPT has got you covered. Check out these sample prompts. Teach me the basics of genealogy and give me a 10-item quiz at the end, but don't give me the answers until I respond to each question. Using your latest knowledge in medical diagnoses, I will provide some symptoms that describe a person's gut health. I need help in pointing to likely causes of severe abdominal pain. Entertainment ChatGPT prompts? If you're looking for a fun and engaging conversation, ChatGPT can help take things to the next level by embodying different personas. Whether you want to interview a celebrity, chat with an expert in a particular industry, or play the role of a talk show host, ChatGPT can generate content that will keep you and your audience entertained. Simply give ChatGPT a prompt and watch as it takes on the personality and tone of your chosen persona, creating a unique and engaging dialogue that will leave you wanting more. Pretend you're Eminem and write me a song making fun of Gen Z. I want you to act as a motivational coach. I will provide a sample scenario about challenges, and it will be your job to give positive affirmations and helpful advice. To start, what would you say to a student struggling to talk to his parents about changing his field of study? Well, we've discovered some amazing ways ChatGPT chatbot can help us in our daily lives, from boosting our productivity to improving our writing skills. But you know what? ChatGPT isn't just all work and no play. It also has a lot of fun. You can challenge it to a game of tic-tac-toe, ask it to tell you a joke, or even have it generate a persona for you to chat with. And don't just take my word for it, go ahead and try it out for yourself. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And while you're down there, ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos on the latest tech and trends. Thanks for watching.